Losing weight can often feel like a challenging journey, but incorporating natural remedies like apple cider vinegar, ACV, into your routine might just be the secret ingredient you've been looking for. With its potential to aid in weight loss, apple cider vinegar has gained popularity as a natural supplement that could enhance your fitness goals. In this article, we'll explore the science behind using ACV for weight loss and provide practical tips for incorporating it into your daily routine. Understanding apple cider vinegar. The basics. Apple cider vinegar is a fermented liquid made from crushed apples and yeast. It contains acetic acid, which is responsible for its distinct sour taste and potential health benefits. The acetic acid content is believed to contribute to various health properties, including weight loss. The science behind apple cider vinegar's weight loss, potential appetite suppression. One way apple cider vinegar may aid weight loss is by helping to control appetite. Studies suggest that ACV can increase feelings of fullness and reduce calorie intake, potentially leading to weight loss over time. Blood sugar regulation. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial for weight management. ACV has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar spikes after meals, which could contribute to weight loss efforts. Metabolism boost. Some studies propose that apple cider vinegar might boost metabolism, leading to increased calorie burning. However, the effects may not be substantial enough to replace healthy diet and exercise habits. Incorporating apple cider vinegar into your routine. Choosing the right type. Opt for raw, unfiltered, organic apple cider vinegar that contains the mother. The mother is a collection of beneficial enzymes, proteins, and bacteria that contribute to its potential health benefits. Start slowly. Begin by adding 1-2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar to a glass of water. Gradually increase the amount to avoid digestive discomfort. Timing matters. Consuming ACV before meals may help control appetite and reduce overall calorie intake. However, avoid drinking it on an empty stomach to prevent potential stomach irritation. Be consistent. While ACV may offer potential benefits, it's not a magic solution. Consistency is key. Incorporate it into a well-rounded, healthy lifestyle that includes a balanced diet and regular exercise.
Apple cider vinegar recipes for weight loss, ACV morning. Elixir. Mix 1 tablespoon of ACV, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, and a dash of honey in warm water. Drink this concoction in the morning to kickstart your metabolism and support digestion. ACV salad dressing. Create a tangy dressing by combining 2 tablespoons of ACV, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Drizzle over salads to enhance flavor and aid digestion. ACV smoothie. Blend together a cup of water, a ripe banana, a handful of spinach, a tablespoon of ACV, and a few ice cubes. Enjoy this nutrient-rich smoothie for a refreshing and weight loss-friendly snack. Precautions and considerations. Dilution. Always dilute ACV with water before consumption to prevent potential damage to tooth enamel and irritation to the esophagus. Medication. Interactions. If you're taking medications, especially those related to blood sugar or diuretics, consult your healthcare provider before adding ACV to your routine. Individual variations. Remember that individual responses to apple cider vinegar can vary. What works for one person may not work the same way for another. In conclusion, apple cider vinegar shows promise as a complementary aid in your weight loss journey. While its potential benefits are supported by scientific research, it's important to view it as part of a holistic approach to weight management. Incorporating apple cider vinegar into a healthy lifestyle that includes balanced nutrition and regular physical activity can yield the best results. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or supplementation routine. So, raise a glass to the potential benefits of apple cider vinegar and take the first steps toward a healthier, happier you.